My country people, welcome back to my channel today. Phyna and her fans, wey be say they call Phination, they don't fight each other for online over her gbasgbos wey she give one of the sponsors wey sponsor multi-choice show during her season. And also Bella don come out to come lament about how her wedding day go be. So today Phyna first come out accuse Pepsi to say na expired product na dey carry come give her for her house. Later she come find out say no be expired product, she come out come ten der public apology. Even for the public apology she still dey shade dem join. So dat thing na come vex her fans, dem come dey call her out say babe you suppose to calm down, check dis thing well before you talk. So as her fans come out come call her, na so Phyna vex come drop dis particular voice note. Make una lis ten to wetin she talk for una sef.
Oh please, I know you guys are fond of carrying negative things about Phyna. I made the tweet, I apologized at the same time, yes, but did they apologize for not giving me what is rightfully mine for the past 2.5 years? No. Okay, yeah, they gave me something that is expiring in the next 4 months. Am I supposed to drink it like water? Even if it's water, I won't finish 31 packs of water in 4 months. That aside, I say you guys, that's what you're feeding on. You guys are beginning to talk nonsense. Is that the topic we're talking here? Is that what we're supposed to be talking about? A lot of them are taking the opportunity to wail and cry and drown in my comment section. Who does that? Please, I've got 1 BTC to go. Please. Everybody can make a mistake. Even till now, they didn't even tell me, oh, sorry that we didn't give it to you then. Oh, sorry we didn't give it to you the following year. They haven't still said sorry to me. And one mistake you guys said I shouldn't. Yes, I made a mistake. I came online without verifying properly, and which is also still not that bad, because I'll be scared if they can say talk about Travel Better 2 ways. If Travel Better can have story, why won't Pepsi have story? I bet sit down, Jeremy talk with him day. Yet they give me 31 packs that can still expire in 4 months. Please, people should chill. I beg. I have 1 BCC to collect. Let's stop this nonsense. Especially those ones that are wailing on my comment section. You guys should better go and drink something and go and put yourself in one corner.
So after Phyna drop this voice over finish, na so she come still go on Twitter space, come continue to dey rant for there. So she come, as she go for Twitter space, na so her fans come follow her go there. She come even show her face wey be say she dey talk. So like some of her fans come dey tell her say dis thing wey be say you do, e no make sense. You don already apologize finish, why not keep it moving? Why coming back to come dey talk say why Pepsi, whether Pepsi apologize to you for not giving you the product? Who you be wey Pepsi go even reason your matter? Pepsi na very big brand. Pepsi dey sign the likes of wetin dey call that man wey dey play football, Messi. They never even reason those people. Na foreign brand. Who know you, Phyna? So all these things wey be say the girl dey do is getting out of hand. Na so her fans come dey tell her for the space to say, babe, this thing wey you dey do, e no make sense like this. Try make you dey calm down. Na so the fan come dey ask her say, you no get management, all those type of thing. Na so Phyna vex for the fan, say make her fan understand her if na like that. So make una lis ten to how the conversation take go.
Question: do you have a management?
I have a management. Why? I say everybody keep asking, oh, Phyna, get a good management. Oh, Phyna, let me tell you guys the truth. Let me tell you guys the truth. I have my management, but still, everything I do most of the time, I do my thing my own way. I do it myself, and I'm doing it because I want to do it. Do you get? I'm doing it because.
So what's the need of you having a management if you want to do your thing? You know you're stressing your fans. You know you're stressing us.
It is
We
easy.
need
It
to
is
rest.
easy.
Defending
It
you
is
since
easy.
you won,
At this
girl. We
point,
need to rest.
at this point,
We're
listen to me.
we're
Listen to even.
dragging the brands to pay you. You need to rest, please. You're stressing us, your fans. You need to rest, Phyna. Don't rush to post on social media. Confirm
Wait,
before
wait,
posting.
wait, wait, wait,
You
wait, wait.
confirm.
Wait, oh.
Confirm
So, hey,
before posting. Don't come
wait
drag.
now. Who is this person that is talking? Oh, you're not even my fan. You are coming to advise me. Who are you, please? Because I
And
just
you
checked your
think you're
profile
fan.
now.
You think I can't come to advise you?
Fuck off.
The truth be say if Phyna no fit drink all the Pepsi according to how she dey claim, if she no fit drink am finish, why not share it out, give it out to people? The Pepsi dey do am March, dey give you the Pepsi for April. How is it a bad thing? It's not a bad something. Na so dem dey produce those things. Na 5 months na dey take dey produce all those things, na the thing dey expire, na so all those type of products dey be. Dis one dat Phyna dey always dey paranoid say pipu wan get at her, pipu wan attack her, pipu wan do her something. I no know whether I go call am say na psychological problem, because she dey always fear say one person dey after her, and nobody dey after you Phyna. Just calm down, leave social media for some time and try to make friends wey be say go fit dey advise you, because see am now, your fans dey try to advise you, dey shout for dem, tell dem say make dem understand you, which no make sense to me. Dat na a very senseless statement na Phyna make for dat conversation with her fans. All the best to her and her nation. Bella Okagbue matter, Bella come out come dey lament about her wedding day, how nobody go cry for her wedding day. As we all know, some pipu wen dem dey marry, you go see their family go dey cry for dem, friends go dey cry, dem dey go, they are leaving us, so she come out come talk say, well, on her wedding day nobody go cry for her. She come say, if I get married today, I don't even have up to 3 bridesmaids, come put laughing emoji. Which means she no get friends, she no dey keep friends like dat, and some pipu be like dat. So she come say, do I even have dat friend that will cry when I put on a wedding dress? Dis life is somehow sha, just thinking out loud. Important thing na to get the right man. Once you have the right man, him go fill in the void of a father, him go fill in the void of a mother, him go fill in all those void wey be say you dey feel say dey empty. When you marry craze person, na you go just dey think your life all the time. You go even worse pass the way your trauma be when you dey grow up. So I just hope to say God come true for her and pipu wey be say dey in dis type of her situation. Some pipu no really get anybody wey be say go do anything lovingly for dem for their wedding day. So Bella dear, be strong. I sure say our man e dey up to the task. Una take care, una bye.